What's up, guys? Welcome to the world of ClickFunnels. I want you to dive in, get access to these bonuses. You're going to have 14 days absolutely free to check out all the content inside of Funnel Flicks. I'm going to give you some additional bonuses for signing up as my personal affiliate. I'll be there to hop on a Zoom call with you, get your funnel built out for your business, and you'll get access to me in a private Facebook group, as well as some free software as long as you're a member. And anytime you need, shoot me a message. I'll be there to help you. You can see this funnel. ClickFunnels offers massive value. You're going to get everything in here from Russell, plus all these bonuses from me just for signing up, trying out the platform. 14 days, totally risk-free. You can cancel anytime. If you have any questions, you can check out the FAQ at the bottom. And hop in the ClickFunnels official Facebook group. Ask your questions in there. People will help you out. If you need anything else, feel free to message me. But I'm hoping to see you on the inside, and I'll be shooting your bonuses to you after you register on the next page. So what you're going to do is click one of these buttons. Go ahead and fill out your first name, email address, tell me where to send your bonuses. I'm going to give you some ClickFunnels training, get you help with all the technical stuff you need to know. You're going to have a bunch of funnel templates you can use, everything you need to be successful. You're getting a link tracking software from me. You're also getting an invoicing software and a social proof software called Sticky Reviews. So all you have to do is come to this page here, sign up for your free account. You've got 14 days to try it for free. You're going to get my bonuses. After you create your account, I'm going to send you your bonuses to the email that you registered with in the previous step. I'm going to send you a link to the private Facebook group where you can get even more resources to help you succeed. And I can't wait to see you on the other side.